Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to fix 404 error page not found in Google Search Console. Seeing an indexing error, URL not found, in Google Search Console might cause some concern. It means Google has trouble finding certain pages on your site. Before we get started, I have a quick tip for you. If you're serious about monitoring your URLs in real time, ensuring safe indexing, and boosting your search performance, I highly recommend checking out urlmonitor.com. This tool is invaluable for keeping your online presence in top shape, allowing you to identify issues quickly and maintain optimal search visibility. So, what is URL not found? 404 error. A 404 indexing error occurs when Google's bot attempts to crawl a page on your site that no longer exists. This can happen for several reasons, such as a page was deleted, but Google still tries to crawl it. You changed a page's URL, but forgot to set up a redirect. A page is temporarily unavailable due to technical issues. Links from other sites point to a non-existent page, sometimes because of a typo in the URL. In rare cases, Google may try to crawl pages that aren't relevant and never receive links. Do you need to fix these errors? In most cases, no, you don't need to fix every 404 error. Google understands that these errors are a normal part of the web, as content is created, moved, or deleted. However, fixing them can improve both user and search engine experience. To address this issue, follow these steps. First, export the list of URL start by exporting the list of not found URLs from Google Search Console. Then, identify important pages. Go through the list and determine which pages are important and should be accessible to users and indexed by Google. Then, restore pages. If a page was deleted by mistake, restore it via your CMS or recreate the page using the same URL. Now, redirect URLs. If you intentionally deleted a page but don't want to lose its SEO value, set up a redirect to a new equivalent URL. Avoid redirecting all 404s to unrelated pages, as Google considers such redirects soft 404s. Then, fix typos. Use tools like Screaming Frog or Sitebulb to find internal links pointing to 404 pages and correct any typos. For external links with incorrect URLs, set up a redirect to the correct version. Now, create a custom 404 page. A custom 404 page enhances user experience by guiding users to other parts of your site instead of having them return to Google. Finally, request recrawl. After fixing the issues, ask Google to recrawl your site in Search Console. Here's how you can resolve your 404 error in Google Search Console. By the way, don't forget that you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with urlmonitor.com. I encourage you to check the link in the description below for more details.